Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Android default apps. So default or pre-installed apps on Android, often called bulware, are apps installed by the manufacturer or carrier. While some of these apps can be completely uninstalled, we can remove them or disable using different methods. Here is how to do that. First of all, disable default apps without routes. Disabling an app stops it from running or appearing in the app drawer without uninstalling it. Just go to your phone's settings, scroll down, tap on this app management and then tap on this app list. Now you will see all your apps here. Tap on the app you want to disable. Tap on this disable if the option is available, then confirm when prompted, and lastly uninstall updates. Some default apps can't be removed but can be reset through their factory version. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then tap on this uninstall updates to remove the updates and restore the app to its original state. By following these methods, you can manage or remove default apps. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to uninstall Android default apps. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.